Okay, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is
my channel. I'm jacking your channel. It's my channel. Give me your channel.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Mom got her own channel.
I got my own channel.
Okay.
You gonna watch my channel?
Yeah, I'll watch your channel.
It's gonna look at a white wall all day long.
Okay, they got videos like that. But today is day 18 of Vlogmas. And right now I'm about to go to the dollar store with my mom. Even though I went to the dollar store the other day, but we're going back again. Well, I went to Daiso, which is $1.50. This time we're just going to a regular dollar store. Close your eyes.
No, I don't like that. Don't.
You don't know what I did.
I don't like when you do this. Is this me?
Yes. Open it.
Hey.
You gotta slide out.
I was just gonna buy a piece today too.
What's that?
At Dickies.
Yep,
nice.
I'm gonna tear this up.
Nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Are you feeling better? Deuce was not feeling good the other day. Huh. What are you doing? How are you feeling? So we recently just got back from the dollar store, and the dollar store that we go to out here is really messy, and it's just like everything's all over the place. And so right now I am about to straighten my hair, and that's going to be a 2-hour process, but we're going to try to do it within an hour because I still got a ton of stuff to do. So let's do it. I just finished straightening my hair, and it took me like about an hour, a little bit over an hour, which is really good because normally at this length it will take me about 2 hours, and then when it's at its like original length, which is like kind of like towards my belly button, it'll take me like 4 hours. So we did pretty good. The serum that I use to straighten my hair is from Chi. And I got the Chi Silk Infusion, but when I went to go see if they had it, they didn't have it. They didn't even have the little version. So the one I've been using is still from Chi, but it's the Keratin Silk Infusion one. And this one I feel like it's a little bit better because it has keratin in it. And of course, keratin is good for your hair. But the scent is very strong. It kind of smells like a men's cologne or men's deodorant, which I honestly don't mind. But so right now I need to wrap my white elephant gift, and then I also have to write Rika's Christmas card because I don't think I will be able to do it tomorrow because I am staying late in the city and I'm taking the last ferry, and I'm going to be exhausted tomorrow. Also, my trunk club box came in. My box. Pretty, it's the medium to small size one. But there's some stuff in here that's pretty nice that I might like. Probably will keep, probably won't, we'll see. But I will record a video probably on Sunday. I do need to edit the trunk club video that I recorded in November, so that way it can go up within December. And then I need to edit a lot of things. I need to edit that. I need to edit a video for Thursday because since I'm going to be at work and then I'm going straight to my company's holiday party, I won't have time to film anything because I'm coming home extremely late. And also I don't really want to record at my job just because I get so nervous recording there. Everyone there doesn't really know about like YouTube, how it works or anything like that. Also, we are having an ugly Christmas sweater contest tomorrow at work, and I want to show you guys the ugly Christmas sweater that I got. Okay, so I got this one. This is Game of Thrones. It says winter is here and it has ghosts on here. And I honestly was going to get a ugly Christmas sweater off of Amazon. There's like a couple of ones that I've seen that were pretty nice, but of course I waited too long and I either couldn't find them or they just wasn't available anymore. There was this one Boston Terrier one that I wanted to get because of course I have a Boston Terrier. It'll be nice to get one of Carlito, but that one was also unavailable because I waited too long. Plus it was a little bit pricey, you know. So yeah, and then I seen the Dachshund one that was really cute, but I wasn't fully in love with it because it wasn't like a sweater like this. It was like a print on like a sweatshirt. So I kind of wanted a sweater. So when I went to Target to pick up some stuff for our project, I seen this sweater and I was like, oh, this is pretty cute. Let's pick out a Christmas card for Pecan. I think I might do this one. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. So I'm about to write her card and I just remembered that she can't read cursive because I write in cursive. I hate writing in print. So now I'm gonna have to write the whole card in print and it's not gonna look as cute as I wrote it in cursive. So that is a bummer. So I just finished writing her card, although I kind of started writing in cursive. But you know what? It was only 2 words. 2 words are in cursive, but the rest is in print. So now let's decorate it with stickers. Okay, we're going to use this one. Then we're going to use this one. I've been waiting all year to use these. These are so cute. And they're Christmas themed. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.